The easy steps on how to achieve this subscription animation customized with sound effects using your mobile device. First, take a screen record as you click your subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, then save the screen record. Secondly, import the just saved screen record to KineMaster editing timeline. Then use a green background to cover the unwanted areas on your screen recorded video for easy chroma key effect. When you are done and satisfied, export the video to go over to the third step. Next, add the just exported green screen video back to the editing timeline of KineMaster. I assume that you have some sound effects already downloaded on your phone. If you don't have, then search for copyright free sound effects and download them to your phone. Next, look out for the exact time where the subscribe button changed from red to ash. Then add a sound effect there. Do the same thing for the notification bells after which you export. So you look at for the exact point in the video where the subscribe button changes from the red color to the ash color as a result of it being clicked. Then you add a sound effect there, a sound effect of your choice from your downloads or from your sound effect collections. Then where you clicked on the notification bell, you also add a sound effect there, a bell like sound effect that you've downloaded to your phone already. So that is what you do. Even when you click on all notifications, you still add a sound effect there, then you export the video. Okay, step 5. Please note that this step 5 you can still do it perfectly well with your KineMaster, but then I just like using VN or Alight Motion. But then for this one, I will be using this VN app to do it. No, you can do it with the KineMaster app. Probably I'll do that next, but then we are using VN to do it. So what you're going to do in the VN editing app is you add the green screen with the sound effect that you exported from your KineMaster. You add it to the editing timeline of the VN app. So right there in the editing timeline, you go to test, like to type something, then you choose maybe an emoji from your phone, a hand-like emoji, which will serve as your pointer. You add it to the editing timeline. Then you're going to be using a keyframe. If you click on the test, or on the test there, you're going to see something like keyframe as an editing option or editing tool right up there. So what the keyframe does is that it helps you move an object from one point to the other while editing. It helps you move an object as if it's a pointer. So you look out for the exact time in the video where the first sound effect is, or where the subscription button changed color. So right there you add the first keyframe, so you can easily move the object from wherever you want it to move from to that exact place where the notification bell or notification button change color. So do you get? So you do that, you add the keyframe again and still change the position. You add the keyframe at the exact place where those stuffs are, where you added the sound effect, and then you move the object to that place where the keyframe is. So it animates the object, making it move from the first keyframe to the next keyframe to the next keyframe. So it appears as if that is the pointer that is clicking on those subscribe or subscription button and the notification bells. So that is how you achieve your own customized subscription direction, or your own customized green screen subscription button using your mobile device. The steps are pretty easy. Please, if you find this video informative or helpful, or you've watched to this point, please give this video a thumbs up and share our video and comment. Please subscribe to Do It Mobile's channel. We love and appreciate your support so far. We hope to see you very soon, possibly in the next 3 days. Goodbye.